What's up, guys? I know what you're thinking. What is he wearing? Well, we just got back from the beach, landed late last night. So I'm still in beach mode. But with that being said, while we were away, we couldn't stay off the auctions. We got down to Florida as we were fixing to land. I look over down on the water and I see this huge cargo ship, and I couldn't help but think, I wonder if there's any Chinese stuff on there. And then throughout the week, I just kept seeing these container ships all out in the water. So I had to get online. Found a couple auctions close to me back home here. And sure enough, I found some stuff that I hadn't had before. I hadn't seen any videos on before. Um, and then I just seen something really cool that I actually did see on another video, and I just had to get one. So stay with us. We're gonna go. I'm gonna go change. We're gonna go hook the truck trailer up, go down, pick our stuff up, and then we'll be back.
All right, guys. As always, I'm dirty. That's what happens when you just work, work, work. But anyways, we just got back from picking up some new stuff. Um, just got over here to my buddy's house. Gonna start getting this stuff unloaded, but wanted to go ahead and show you what we snatched up. Pretty excited about a few things. We got some stuff we haven't seen before, and we've got some stuff that we know there's no content out there just yet. So we're excited to try this stuff out. I'm going to give you a quick walk around of what's on the trailer, and so you can see what we got. All right, so first off, we bought a bunch of grapple buckets, different ones: log grapples, plate grapples, bucket teeth. We got some bigger hollow grapples. We want to test these out. Um, just compare them against each other, see which one's better, see if they're versatile, can be used for one grapple, can be used for anything, or if they all have their own individual use. Biggest thing on this load that I'm probably the most excited about is the wood chipper. We got a wood chipper, Chinese wood chipper for a mini skid steer. Super excited to try that out. It's the first one I've seen. Um, and I haven't seen any content on it, so that video is going to be coming very, very soon. We also got a tiller. Um, we've actually been wanting one of these for ourselves, so snatched it up. Going to do some content on that. And then we did get us this has a Yanmar diesel, this mini excavator. It's a SDLE 20 made by SD Lance with a Yanmar 3-cylinder 15 horsepower diesel. So we're going to do some testing with that. Put our flail mower on it, maybe some other attachments, see what it'll do. And then behind the plastic is a super cool beast. That is a new tracked lawnmower. Wait till we get that thing unpackaged. Gonna be dropping a video of that very soon as well. Let's go around. I think we got last thing we got over here, we got a backhoe attachment. We're gonna do some testing with that as well. I kind of think the thing is useless, but we're gonna find out. Is this a good attachment to have for the mini skid steer? But there you go, guys. That's a little shopping we did while we were out beaching. All right, that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. Short and sweet. We did some shopping while we were away. Got some new stuff to test. We're gonna get some. I'm unloading this stuff out here at my buddy's house now, so we're gonna be busy rest of the week, working on stuff, getting it ready. We're gonna do a couple videos too on some of these attachments. Some of this stuff you can't just, not just like the machines. You get the machines home, change the fluids, whatever, before you use them. Some of these attachments are the same way. Some of them have to have work right away. So we're gonna do a little deep dive on individual attachments as well this week. But we got a lot of content to make this week. If there's anything specific you want to see, certain attachment on a certain machine, or test this, just leave it in the comments, guys. Tell us what you want to see. We'll make it happen. As always, we appreciate you. Hit that like and subscribe if you haven't. It helps us. Shows us that you guys are liking what we're doing. And We'll catch you in the next one.